cancelled. So he gave me like maybe January or February. January it's not possible. So let's see, because we want to bring him here only. I mean, we will show this books.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's very nice. Yeah.
So that's really encouraging for us, and your presence here today itself means a lot to us. Thank you for that.
Thank you so much. All right. So how do we go about it?
So maybe we can start in 4 minutes.
We can sit.
Yeah. So I was in this one just a few days back.
1, 2, 3. This one. Thank you. Thank you so much.
My name is Bharat Ramasima. I am instructor for mechanics in ITI. I want to explain some detailed program. So I can. Workshop safety far second night for morning. So that's what I'm not human safety. Helmet, glove, safety suit, goggles, mask, belt, belt cover, technician, paint, he must have better than my point one year. I don't answer workshop safety. Workshop safety can be not technician, technique, not to test your well, fight and work, mail him low. Assume because many of at Hassa, Okati, to find a film for working is something, the from us, fender, the equipment safety, to suit, and I'm also safety, so the vehicle safety and so on. Step passery. Workshop so kan som nge to ni chumi kan som lo chon he ti na I kam me tel ni te ya film ko no ma kam me te accident dan na sen te ni na safety ya ni chumi lo chon te ta hian Toyota history kum sakiti Toyota san hi kum zavi so for it like ani ya ma si village lo pia na chung ko re ta kan ni pa mai ro chon nu kha manual la siam ni to manual lu chu anu ako ai na ba han automated lu ma siam chu ka chu afa ba ki jiro Toyota ma masol zo eng kima masol zo ka natural ruang manania chon kimi pilar pati ki Toyota ya chon ani zil per ani John Sears philosophy of accuracy the caring here customer telaka real na na min pe chila ni John highlight to film te gar di vel resort of kuro ni se he sakiti na to se te ka so verify so akan dia seperti itu akan jadi lain working principle of principle dia kan itu dah teknisi yang lebih bagi customer telah jadi tulai teknologi yang smart hybrid anti cerita ini til tratakan ya tulai fuel efisien zong kan dua lelama battery พลัง EV อย่างนี้หรือว่าแบตเตอรี่และ engine ของมันเนี่ยเป็นรูปบ้านไหนให้กินนั้นลิตรกระดาษกิโลเมตรส่งลิตรเสียให้งานชวนส่งทุนส่งได้ครับ fuel efficient เนี่ย maintenance เนี่ยมันก็มอเตอร์ engine บ้านไหนก็เฮียนก็หาคนนะapart from that, so put a shit again, attach the shit. Battery high voltage battery auxiliary battery inverter pay here DC AC control ni. So motor generator one le motor generator through much so planetary gear drive shaft differential here amala akia engine then we long kata omak heki ali long kata omak chuan ana to da na chu na yen ready kan ti khan battery khan engine heki switch kan on remote khan ai ready ta chuan motor khala so maset hetia kan han start siya kan battery mang chung motor ni kelam ta so din ba ya ta ta chu ba tong fuel ka hi ta chuan chu mi chu battery high voltage kan khan DC ka AC ya kon ka motor generator chu wa chuan battery ya ba differential chuan cruising engine start here om zia chu naga kata kilometer somli aya niyama atan so chuan engine hung lo ni mase accelerator ga pedal ga han rapa han chak ta ka engine ha loi ku pe han ni tu rin chu ta che chuan ni motor generator one here engine automatic in atin uma chuan engine le battery khan liu thai khat sẽ thật sự là chuan chu mi chung chuan accelerator ka han ka han accelerate ka han kan sak tu khan MG1 here any battery here chang pe chu tin chin brake kan in brake kan ba engine ni lo brake kan ba in battery chang pe battery charge ai so fuel ka am ke so kami technology sa ke so a battery no mo so kilometer kita kada kilometer so kan de no maintenance dia as a repairing maintenance so technology we create na also so tapi kan reverse le starting so here battery
So basically this is a hybrid simulator and this simulator we are using to extend the concept of CO2. Is that
Indian Institute of Science this has the lowest carbon emission built to be this.
anything else?
so this safety service provider ini motor nga va thi chon hili kan ti so pa se di nga hian azir light and also machine
So he's telling me that it makes our life much easier.
azir na ta thi ni trouble
It is much easier for the student also to understand when they are taught in this way.
Yes. In fact, there was a question today here in Mizoram workshop. The electrical part skill is missing. Is what we got a feedback.
Exactly.
So that's going to help.
And most of the workshop, this electrical part is done by someone from outside the state. If not from Manipur, even from Assam, and as far as even from Bengal, it could be.
We hope that will change now.
Yes.
No, why not? No, why
Yes.
not?
career, basically all basic concept of electrical he can understand. Like a student can practice, they can make circuit, and easily they can understand.
So he just informed me that this makes his life much easier.
Yeah.
To explain to the students. No?
That's nice to hear. That's nice to hear. This is the classroom. Here is better than mine.
In fact, we want to make this institution also bigger and we want to modernize it. This is very much one of the.
플라스틱이 간 포이도래. 예, 디겠는다.
Dato pero sir, ano kimi wika dule sa tehan ang drop ka.
깜깜띠 왜 이렇게 수원들어? 이게 내가.
After this, the professionals will take over.
So shall we go now or we have to wait for it?